Alright, this is my review of the BQ Y8 Max Android TV box. Here's the back for the specifications. Has an Amlogic S905X3 quad processor, a Mali G31 MP2 GPU processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. Not bad. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this actually looks nice. Look at that, it's round. BQ. There it is, there's the brand. That right there on the front is an actual, if I'm not mistaken, a clock. Let's see. Power supply over here. SPDIF optical. Guessing headphone out. HDMI. LAN network. And then we have two USB-A. One that is supposed to be USB 2, as well as one that's USB 3. Not bad. Very slim. BQ Y8 Max. Look at that. It's nice. Alright. I'm going to pause this and see what it looks like once it's hooked up to the TV. I'll be right back. Alright, before I hook up the Android TV box, I wanted to show you it comes with a remote control, HDMI cable, as well as its power supply, and the manual that's inside there. There it is. The Android box has been plugged in to the TV and it's running now. It's actually not bad. It's very responsive. Like it, and there's a clock at the very front of it. Like it. Alright, let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.